Cusco, and I'm Cusco, Peru, and I'm going to do a room tour. So this is the living room. It's just so nice. And there's the dining area, the kitchen area, and it's a balcony. It's so nice. Oh my gosh! So this is the balcony here. Oh my god! I feel like I love Cusco. With my, like first impression, I think I love Cusco compared to Lima, because Lima is really cold and rarely get the sun. But Cusco, we have the sun. Oh my gosh! So this is the dining, no, the kitchen. So I think it's complete. Microwave here. Yeah. We have the plates and everything. So we make anything here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay. And we have refrigerator as usual, and because we know the repairs we can do. Probably nicer than building an apartment. And this is what I like, because in Lima they don't have this laundry area, so we need to go outside or to the laundry store to have, to do our laundry. But this one, my best friend, oh my gosh. And then they also have this where you can hang those clothes. It's amazing. And then they have this little hallway here. So we have the restroom or the toilet room. So we had the shower area, toilet, sink again, and this one, I think this one needs to be locked, honestly, because this is the door to the exit, I guess. Anyways, this is the hallway going to the bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the first bedroom. So nice. This one, look at that. So nice. And then another view here. Oh my gosh, look at those mountains. My gosh, another Cusco. So we're gonna stay here for a month again, and I might suggest that we just stay here for our entire Peru trip. But we need to go back to Lima because that's where our main area, I guess. So this is the second restroom. Oh, they have a bathroom. There's a shower and everything. Nice. This is the master bedroom, I believe. Oh my gosh, so they have an aircon, so that means it's not really that cold here. If I'm not mistaken, because usually in Lima they don't have this air conditioner because it's really cold. Bedroom, the cabinets. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the cabinets. And here as well, I can definitely take my OOTD picture now and update my OOTD highlights. Oh, amazing. So, another view here. Let's go. Wow. Oh, this is so amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. So far. And this is locked, so maybe So you know they have this automatic lock. And it's so cool because when you open the elevator door, you will already see the door. So you have to input the code and everything. Nice, this is so cool. Watching this video. Again, I'm gonna put the link below if you wanted to rent this accommodation. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link below so you could check out the prices and stuff. If you want to go to Cusco, so yeah, this is so nice.